British kasi siya, British.
Tara, cheese na tayo, cheese na tayo. Tara, cheese.
Excuse me.
Bait
Pre,
natin yung team, kunwari dito
naman.
tayo. Bait natin sila. Dito guys.
Ride light, di ba? Sige, ride light pa kaya. Hindi, mag-AP ako. So,
Oh, may guy
Lens?
dito.
Saan siya pumunta? Patay doon. Ay!
Uy!
Ay!
Ooh,
Nice.
nice.
Wow.
1 for 1.
Ba't ka nagpakamatay?
Not worth.
Huwag ako.
Not
Huwag ako, boy.
Huwag
Huwag
ako.
ako. Huwag ako, boy.
Pabot din ata Scar.
Okay lang, sir.
Pabot din ata Scar, guys. Guys, pabot din ata Scar.
Archangel ba or ano? Archangel na lang.
Josh,
No, you
lakad
go
ka na.
redemption.
Yung
No, you go
XP.
redemption.
Oh my
You go
God,
redemption
Josh,
to
lakad ka
Mikhail.
na.
Mapaw. Nagsha-shopping ako.
Mag-TP ka.
Sige. Mag-ano ako, di ba? Tier, tapos next is Ludens, tapos...
No, buy tier after an item.
What do you mean? Second tier item or what?
Second item mo tier after before or after boots. Hold on.
Oh, what? Paki-elaborate. Wait lang, hindi ko talaga naintindihan. Hindi ko ma-word. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Snowball.
Okay. Yung rin.
Habits. Sakit.
Yung ganito.
Yes, sir.
Kung may mana lang, pati na sana yung game. Wait, they won't know. Magsistay tayo.
Kabo na lang.
Oh, may displacements. Displacements.
Uy! Oh! Oh no, I think... Mapaw.
Kailan papakamatay, Josh? Para yung lead natin mawala ganun.
Mapaw.
Your fault.
Break. Ano mo naman naturally, ako? Mga Ben?
Autistic.
Naturally special.
Thank you.
Naturally
Oh.
special.
Consider it, man. Thank you. I thank you for your... Hindi pa rin sila nag-back. Like, are they that desperate?
Ayaw mag-back eh.
Back ako.
May bangka. Like, ako rin naman eh.
Pakuha ka nun.
Pre. Yan.
Replating.
Ethan. Ethan. Patrick, saan na yung ano? Jungler?
Alis boy, alis
Dead.
boy.
He just died. He just died.
Diba?
My
Ito-
gosh, what's your problem?
Mapa.
Not a good shot.
Biggest snowball. Alright, nice.
It's okay to be sad sometimes, Lord. That's how you know when you're happy. This is gonna be the biggest snowball ever. Go hold back, Worm. They stole his nest from those lakes we talked to.
May pababa ba?
Ako.
Yup. Ito na nga. Ayun na. Biggest snowball.
Drifting. Drifting. We're rolling.
I'm dead, by the way. It's fine. Worth.
Go pa ba?
Go.
Yung target ko yun, siya yung tinatarget
Oh.
ko.
Oh no. All good, Sai.
Oh, what? Oh, shoot.
Ako,
Oh, my bad.
ako.
Kala ko. Oh, my bad.
Mapa. Hindi, all good pala. Mapa. Good
Okay, bro.
when they me.
Dito mo siya sa discarder.
Ba't ang sabi?
Sabi niya, all that for a drop of blood. Sabi niya,
Ew! Ano yun? Come on, bro.
you gotta be joking.
You ain't.
Stop the backs.
Sige, ta.
Uy, hindi ko ma-stop.
Uy!
Josh naman.
What the... Just naman. Pero ang cringe ng stuff, diba? Ay, yung ano na yun, yung all that for a drop of blood na parang...
You ain't that.
Ano?
Patay mo. Back mo. Don't steal my place.
Fine, pag ikaw, kailangan mo ng tulong.
Bye-bye.
Fuck, na ano ko. Madadaan yan dito. Ano ba yun?
Okay, not looking now. You're getting a big
Mayroon ako. Maya!
Yeah, pag na-root mo, root ko rin.
Okay.
adventure.
Magya na lang tayo dito. Yeah!
You've been poisoned, Willem. Only cures
Wardeds. Yun na, looking yung veil. Pag ganyan yung galawan, looking na yan, boy.
Ay, go!
With diff.
Go next ba? Go next. Silag.
Oh, left or drop blood.
Nagping missing siya, pero hindi na namin pa rin.
Ano ba?
Just can you go? Can you go do something? Parang solo laner ako dito.
Let's bury it
Doon
with
ako.
snowball.
May item ako, Josh. Go muna, please. Like, force it.
Ako na bala. Never mind.
I don't know about that. Please, Josh, go to Vayne, man.
Ayun nga.
Nasa harap mo na, oh.
Mako.
Pakireport
goods,
ka lang
man.
ng Vayne, no?
Yun, ikaw.
Yung Vayne, actually, pero go mo na yun. Armor na yun, like, go mo na yun.
Walang arlo.
Sino AR ko dan?
Di ba? Oo, di ba? Wait lang, isa pa bang all that for a drop of blood?
I can see you breathing.
Oh, that? Just for a drop of blood?
Man, that was cringe. Pupunta ba yun?
Oh, sino laro na ito?
Wait lang, isa pa ba all that for a drop of blood? Wait,
All that for a drop of blood!
wait lang.
They join the fight. Rise yourself to the darkest night.
Natilted ata sila, boy.
That one.
Just for a drop of blood. Those two know. Those who know. Those who know what? Pag mo yung chat mo, Patrick, kaya sabihin ni Diyos ng all that for drop of blood.
Okay, wait.
Tapos sinasabi niya,
Sige, isa ka.
those who know, style emoji. Where's your plate?
Got his flash,
Asa
that's
plate
good.
niya?
That's good. You got his flash. No flash.
Huwag nun.
Second yung on the light.
Pakunin mo yung plating sa mga minions. Pakunin mo yung plating sa mga minions.
Mako.
Hindi ka marunong mag-Valorant.
Sino? Sira na. Oh. Ba't ganun yung breaks mo?
Tignan mo to, Josh. Combos, wombos.
I'm more of a mercenary
Ah.
myself.
Uy,
Yung Skarner boy.
wait lang. Oh, good.
Anligang dito sa bot boy.
Yun nga eh.
Anligang Pro Max.
Nado kasi sila dun sa ano ko, boy.
All that for a drop of blood.
Wait lang yung scar niyo, pabalik na naman yun.
Nasabihin mo kasi na all drop of blood eh.
Ayun, kasi eh.
Para matit nga rin siya, yung technique, Ethan.
Yun yung tik-tik. Okay na.
Is everything alright there?
All that for a drop of blood.
Okay.
All that for 2 drops of blood, sabihin mo. All that for 2 drops of blood. Bubunong ko. All that for just 2 drops.
Whoa, we have more.
Dusunog. Sabihin mo. Dusunog. Mango. Mango. Tingnan mo yung Vayne pre, mas fed pa siya sa Draven. Mango. Gumana yun.
Hindi, tatip ko talaga.
Sat in their hearts.
Ay, shit. Wait lang. Josh, huwag ka mag-bang. May namanggo na ako dito.
6 seconds. I'm coming. They won't know.
Mango.
Those who know lang talaga to.
Mango.
I'm here. Keep fighting.
Na, just for a drop of blood. Ayun na.
Na,
Just for a drop of blood.
nasabihin mo, dosuno, Josh. Idosuno mo. 6 seconds.
Dusuno.
Nice.
Go mo na.
Mango. Kunin mo
Na.
yung bulaklak dito.
All that for a drop of blood, sabihin mo, Josh. For a drop of blood.
Ano yung sinabi?
Copy-paste ko lang ng Bin. Ba't kasi niya sinabi yun,
Let
Bin?
let me solo gold, let me solo gold.
Tama mo, tilted na sila, bro. Like, tilted ba yung belief?
Tilted tower na.
Tilted towers. Tilted towers.
Pero di ba na sumabog yun, tilted towers?
I think it's back.
Mm,
Think it's back.
Oo, sumabog. Sumabog yung tilted towers pa. Tama.
Pwede ba mo gano'n Black Fire Torch? Sige, sige, tara. Pero naiiyak ako na gano'n lang.
Iyan mo. Mango.
Sarap talaga mag-untitled.
Before I can.
One me, Josh.
Ang sakit.
Know what I'm doing, bro? Come on.
Grabe. Ganun talaga.
Ay, mango.
Wala dito.
Tumble and crumble.
Wala.
Lots to scrumble.
Ka-clear ko na to, kuya.
Hindi.
Oo, okay. May Drake.
Oh, diabo! Nice!
Saan to dadaan?
Uh-oh. I think it's dead.
No,
Nandito. Oh. Ano na?
Mango.
Grabe!
All that for half a drop of blood.
We're here to lend some
Hello po! No dash!
Hello po.
Get it! Nice! Alright,
Ayoko na.
All that just for a drop of blood, guys.
Hold that for Edo.
Guys naman,
Para lang sa tulo ng dugo. Yeah, I'm gonna take this tower, bro. I don't know about you, pero I'm taking this tower. Masaya ka na nan. Tatagal bigla eh. Lahat ng iyon para sa tulo ng dugo? Isang munting tulo ng dugo?
Ayaw nga na, mali. Mali ka naman. Para lang sa isang tulo ng dugo. Ayun dapat.
Trapping and fight. Trapping and fight.
Ay, wala akong arm not gonna lie.
Never
Ay,
mind.
wala na.
It's gone. Actually, Josh, can you come here?
Tara.
May-
Yeah, actually, pumunta na ako. They won't know. Nice one. That was beautiful.
Gusto no?
Ay, ano ako?
Grab! Pre, nakita mo yun? Wait lang, please tell me someone saw that. Pre, nakita mo yung predict ko, di ba?
Nice job,
Oh my
Josh.
gosh.
I literally
Josh,
killed him,
dali,
so
sabay,
I would...
Josh. Hold that for what? Hold that for what?
Ah, wait lang.
Please.
Oh, wait lang. Ano naman dapat?
I know, come. Oh my gosh, bro.
Yan. Dapat
Fight
ano
now,
alternating.
Fight.
Okay. Try na lang natin, dude. Grabe, ang sarap ng cheese.
Gold cheese.
Giga tilted na ata sila ang lahat pinali. Ethan, mag-isa ka. Ay, jump na si Patrick. Mufo.
Dito tayo, Patrick.
No, hurry.
Hindi ako
I'm
lang.
gone.
Ma-one-tap ko naman eh. Uy, grabe.
I gotta cycle my
Yun na.
camps.
Mango!
Mago.
Tara.
Injures.
Oh, wait lang.
mom's out there somewhere.
Tayo mo na yung Josh.
15. Si Naomi ko na yun.
Lahat na yun para lang sa...
Boy!
Exaggerate mo.
Di na nagsalita si kuya.
Uy, I'm dead. Oh, wait lang, tama.
Oo.
Ay, grabe, Mako. I was typing. Giggle tilted na sila dun.
Ang daming tao dito. Uy, na triple ult tayo, pre. 3 ult para lang sa isang dugo sa game. Bubulo talaga sila. Maggalit na.
Walang mal...
Dosuno. Skull. May iba Discord pa eh. Yung mga may alam lang. Lagay mo ng mga deep na Filipino word, yung munting may alam. Yung mga may kaisipang.
Pre, patayin mo na nga yung ambesa.
Yun dito guys eh.
Hindi na. Pre!
We're
oh my God.
rolling! We're rolling, bro!
Uy! Ethan, nangyari sa'yo.
We're drifting! Sabay! Mango.
All that for a drop.
Mango!
May papuntang skirt tuloy. May Skarner dito.
Miss Kirkner, ganun ba Kirkner?
Saan yung Skarner? Asan na yung Skarner? Ah, dito. Patrick.
Wala, can you, oh, sige tara.
Oh, wait
Ayan na
lang.
Matubiwan kayo doon nata. Ah,
hindi.
wow, lakas nyo pala. Dosu mangoes. Dosu mangoes. Turner, ano na? Just for the blood.
Oh my god!
Ba't ba kasi sinabi yun? Ba't kasi sinabi talaga yun?
Salita pa eh, kung
Oh,
hindi
that
salita, wala
just
din mangyayari.
All that just for a drop of blood?
Hindi, all that for a drop of mango.
Okay.
Ay, gabi. Mako.
Ano ba, Ethan?
Techniques. Just tawag
Okay.
yan.
All that for a drop of mango.
Tara. They're looking for something.
Tara. Come. Ooh, everybody is mango.
Oh, I think they're all there.
Tara. This is gonna be big.
Avocado daw.
It's gonna be big.
Go! Please, guys.
Mango. Yung
Oh,
Scarlet.
how did I miss that?
Go.
Mango.
Come on, guys, go. Nice.
PP ba ako sa Dre?
Parang naiihi talaga. Mag-Leandris dapat kaya ako, boy. Like, what am I doing?
All that? Just for a drop? Isang tulo lamang ang nakuha nyo?
Ayoko mag-support. Ano eh. Gusto ko AP lang. Dapat AP lang dapat. Cosmic Thread tara pa. Para hindi tayo may outay.
Oh, they're all base. Look. Oh, they got it. Nice.
I missed you too, Willem.
Snowball.
Gotta stop it, Willem.
Do you think I can kill? No, never mind.
Willem, what would you do?
Sorry, share lang.
Years? That's not an adventure.
Ito lang pumunta sa mga camps nila.
Baka kasi na... Oh, yan na.
Oh,
Uy, umalis ka, boy.
oh.
Umalis. Oh, nice. Oh, ult pa yan.
Bye-bye.
Ah, perfect. Uy. Papunta na.
Let them be. Push nyo
Wanna
na
fight
lang.
Josh? Dito ako. I'm coming. I'm like gonna be there na pero kaya ko to.
Oo, ano na. Wait lang, ang layo mo pala. Akala ko malapit ka.
Lahat na yun lamang para lang sa lamang ng isang dugo. Lamang, red pajama.
Parang napapagod na ako. Type to. Ayan, para lang matipid ka.
Oh! Actually, killing people. No R. Nice.
Ano na kaya stocks ng... Ba't parang wala pa rin damage yung... Pre, focus nyo kaya yung ano, Skarner. What is that?
Focus.
Nakaka-smack drive na ako para mag-drive tayo. Grabe, ang galing naman.
Clock yung kanan.
TP ba ako dito sa kanan na to? Prank lang. Speed me up, Josh. Speed me up.
Wala na akong speed up. Yan, speed up na kata.
Tignan mo to, Josh. Tignan mo to. Ready ka na? Para mas mabilis. Para mas word hop tawag dito. Word hop na yan.
Ano si Faker?
Faker, what is that? Bala kayo, laban kayo dun and down.
Tara.
May ha! Josh. Did it go anywhere?
I got you, man. Diba? Kita mo yun?
Sige, dito ka. Sige. Try mo lang, boy.
Grabe.
But I want to laugh. But I want to laugh, Sosoy. Come on.
Grabe.
Are you being
Hindi ko na pinapatawa. Grabe.
Nanabay daw suno. Hold for a drop of blood pa eh.
Hold that for a drop of blood.
Scar.
Hindi na ulit din.
Oh my god.
Ba't niya talaga sinabi yun?